Welcome to Cinco Farm, a stunning wedding venue where elegance meets rustic charm, offering you the perfect setting for your big day. Your day begins in the comfort of our private family house, complete with rooms for the bride, groom, and their closest family members. Each room offers spacious privacy with ensuite bathrooms, ensuring everyone has their own space to prepare. Step outside and relax by the pool as you get ready to make memories. Walk down a beautiful aisle that leads to our outdoor ceremony space. Surrounded by nature and the peaceful ambience of Cinco Farms, this is where your love story takes center stage. While you're off capturing breathtaking photos around the venue, your guests can enjoy a relaxed cocktail hour in our charming barn bar, just steps away from the ceremony. Our reception barn, with its open design and clear walls, brings the beauty of the outdoors inside while keeping the temperature just right for your celebration. With a spacious dance floor, an outdoor bar, and nearby bathrooms, everything is designed for your guests' comfort and enjoyment. Behind the scenes, our well-placed catering area ensures that service runs smoothly with easy access for staff while staying out of sight of your guests. At Cinco Farms, we take care of every detail, so you can focus on what matters most, celebrating your love. We look forward to being part of your unforgettable day.